Introducing the impressive 2020 Seat Ibiza 1.0 TSI XC5 door in a sleek and sophisticated grey exterior. This powerhouse of a hatchback boasts a 1-litre engine, manual transmission and 95 horsepower, perfect for those seeking a thrilling driving experience. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort and technology features, including air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity and ambient lighting, this Ibiza is sure to impress. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, providing peace of mind on the road. With luxurious interior trim, privacy glass and a spare wheel for added convenience, this Seat Ibiza has it all. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification, complete with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own the 2020 Seat Ibiza. Call us now or visit our website jpmg.ie for more information on how you can drive away in style today.